Good morning, Fox Pack. Welcome back to the Fox Den. Welcome back to the vlog, and welcome to another Acid Tree. So this is just a quick little announcement video. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you will have no idea what I have planned. But I just wanted to put this out on the channel so that those of you who don't have Instagram will know what we are about to do. Keep it short and simple. We are going to Soho supercharge my G37, and don't be like, oh, it's gonna take forever. No, I am going to be ordering the kit in about 2 months time, something like that. Basically beginning of June, end of May, I'm going to be ordering the kit, and I am so excited. So basically for this, what we're gonna end up doing is we're just gonna do the basic kit. We're not gonna do E85. We're gonna put it back on 93. We're not gonna do E85. We're gonna just use the fuel system that it comes with, and we're gonna use the pulley that it comes with. So it's gonna run about 8 pounds of boost. Nothing over the top. I just want the basic kit in this thing because it is high mileage. So I want to keep it dialed back a little bit. And also I want the fuel system to be simple because I don't want to do anything out of the ordinary with this fuel system. I just want it to run on the stock regulator, the injectors that the kit comes with, and the fuel pump that the kit comes with. That's it. I don't want to do aftermarket fuel pressure regulators, anything like that. I want to use the stock one and just keep it as simple as possible. This thing should be making around 480 to 500 wheel horsepower with the basic kit. It might actually be over 500 wheel. It's hard to say. I will get on a dyno to find out, but to me dynos are just for comparison. They're not all accurate, but we'll get an idea. But yes, guys, we are going to supercharge it very soon. I was originally planning on fall, but the way things are looking, I should be able to do it very soon. And beginning of July, mid-July, this thing will be supercharged depending on the lead time. There'll be a nice big fat blower right here. We're going to be filming the entire install. Moogie's going to be helping me. It's going to be awesome. And the best part about this is we are going to remove this lower grill, and we are going to expose the intercooler, and it's going to look absolutely menacing. Unfortunately, we are going to lose this aggressive look of the intakes, but really, who cares about that when it's going to have a big fat intercooler down there? So you know what, it is what it is. Actually, you probably will be able to see the intercooler up here too. I'm not sure, we'll find out. But with that, I will be selling my upper manifold and my 3-inch intakes when we do this. Stay tuned on Instagram for when they do go on sale, and I might be doing a giveaway for the fuel pump because we are going to have to put even bigger injectors in here and an even bigger fuel pump in order to compensate for this. Now I know what you guys are thinking. This is a high mileage motor. It's got 133,000 miles and the original trans. I know that's going to worry some people, but I've found quite a few builds that had the same amount of miles and they are supercharged and they're not having any issues with it, as long as everything is running solidly. This thing is running very solid, knock on wood. It's making great power. It sounds really good. Obviously it's a little bit more noisy than it would be with an engine with 30,000 miles on it, but it is running very healthy. So there's no reason to get rid of this engine if it's running very healthy. So we are going to utilize this engine. The transmission, we'll see how it holds up. I don't expect it to hold up forever, but you got to remember, we are just doing the basic kit. We're not going to go crazy. We're going to just run 8 pounds of boost and keep it simple. There's nothing out of the ordinary with this setup that I'm going to be putting on here. And obviously, I'll be selling my upper plenum and my 3-inch intakes when it's all said and done. Stay tuned on Instagram for that. I will be announcing when that will all be for sale. I'll also be selling my injectors. I might do a giveaway with the fuel pump. We're going to have even bigger injectors and bigger fuel pump for this, so that's all going to have to come out and get replaced. That's it, guys. I just want to make that quick announcement video for those of you who don't follow me on Instagram. We are supercharging it, and it's going to be happening this summer, and I am so excited. I have been wanting to do this for a very long time in the G, and I'm happy to say I'm finally in the position where I can do it. So we have the daily coming in a few weeks. So that's going to allow me to do it as well. I don't have to drive this every day anymore, especially since it'll be on 93 and the gas prices are absolutely outrageous. So it's a very good situation. So we're going to do it. We're going to go ahead and we're going to supercharge it. So, and also Moogie's going to be helping me. That's going to be a ton of fun. There'll be videos on his channel as well. And it's just going to be a fun time. We're all going to get together. We're all going to work on this, and hopefully we can get it done within 2 weeks of getting the kit, hopefully. So It's just a little hard because I'm working right now and there's not a lot of time. But on my days off, you can bet your ass I will be working on this thing, and we're gonna get it done as soon as possible. So hopefully the lead time isn't too bad on it, but we'll see what happens. That's it, guys. Hope you're excited. Make sure you stay tuned. There's a lot of things coming for this car, man. To think several months ago, I think it might have been, maybe it was a year ago. No, it wasn't a year ago. I think it was like 7-8 months ago. I was thinking about selling this thing. Wow, are we in a different place right now, let me tell you. So that's gonna wrap up today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you are excited for the supercharger. I am, and I know it's high miles, but there's a lot of guys supercharging it with high miles and they're not having any problems. I'm not saying I will be the same way, but it is very solid. I think it's gonna take it just fine. Don't forget to subscribe, join the Fox Pack today, hit the bell notification to be notified when we do something stupid. Follow our official page on Instagram at SolarFox Racing Group, and follow me on Instagram at SolarFoxG37 so you can see all the behind the scenes of the Assetry. And make sure you subscribe because there's a lot going on with this car this summer with the supercharger. It's going to be crazy. We're going to be doing races. Maybe we'll get to the track. We'll see what happens. It's going to be awesome. Remember, life is too short to stay stuck, and it's only legal if you get caught. I have to be quiet because my neighbor came home. Stay foxy.